In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet, specifically when you want to share something fun or important from YouTube. Whether it's for work, school, or just hanging out with friends, sharing your screen can make virtual meetings more interactive and engaging. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of your Google Meet sessions by sharing YouTube videos directly in your meeting. First things first, you need to head over to the Google Meet website. It's super easy to start. Once you're on the page, you'll see options to either join a meeting or start one of your own. Today, we're going to start an instant meeting. Click on the Start an Instant Meeting button. This will create a new meeting and take you to the meeting room right away. Now that you're inside the meeting, look around the interface. You'll see various options, but the one we're interested in today is the Present button. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This is your first step towards sharing that interesting YouTube clip you have in mind. Here comes the crucial part, sharing audio. You'll notice a toggle to share audio. Make sure you click on this toggle. This ensures that everyone in the meeting will not only see but also hear the YouTube video clearly, which is essential for the full shared viewing experience. Next, we move on to selecting what exactly you want to share. Since we're focusing on sharing something from YouTube, you'll want to click on the Chrome tab option. This lets you specifically share content from one of your open Chrome browser tabs, which offers better performance for video playback compared to sharing your entire screen or window. Search through your tabs, find the YouTube video you'd like to share, and once you've got it, simply click on Share. And with that, you're all set. The YouTube video will now be visible and audible to everyone in the meeting. It's a smooth and effective way to bring videos into your conversations, presentations, or lessons in Google Meet. A quick tip before we wrap up: make sure you've got the video ready to play in a Chrome tab before your meeting. This little bit of preparation can help avoid any awkward fumbling or dead air time during the meeting as you look for the video. Plus, it gives you a moment to ensure the video is right from the start, without any unwanted ads or content at the beginning. That's all there is to it. You're now well equipped to share YouTube videos in your Google Meet sessions, making your meetings more interactive, engaging, and maybe even a bit more fun. Whether it's showing a work-related tutorial, a piece of educational content, or just a funny clip to lighten the mood, you now know exactly what to do. Enjoy sharing and see you in the next tutorial.